Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I have an amazing opportunity for you. These are AI training jobs hiring worldwide. As you can see here, you can see Nigeria, Kenya, Egypt, India, and other countries. Okay, this is coming to you from this company called WellowGlobal.com. Willow Global, it's a business, AI business. They deliver multilingual content, data, and AI solutions via 5 brands designed for different customers and use cases. And I know you know these brands. We've talked about them on this channel. These brands are Localize, Adapt, Willow Life Sciences, Pack IP, and Willow Data. So if you're looking for an AI training job, you can go to these 5 brands, go to their careers pages and search for AI training jobs. By the way, one of my subscribers shared this opportunity with me. She sent me an email with this company telling me to tell you guys about the openings they have, because she saw openings for Nigerians and other African countries. She sent it to me. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. You're amazing. Okay, so they have amazing opportunities here that you can explore. Before I show you, please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Welcome if you're an old member. Like, comment, and share. So this one is the one that I want to show you guys. Also, some of these jobs here are, they're for different languages. I'm also going to show you how to work on them if you want to. Anyway, so this is the one that I want to show you first. Italian Search and Data Labeling Beta Project Andromeda. It's a remote position. They're hiring Brazil, Argentina, Tunisia, Cairo, Egypt, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Morocco, Nairobi, Kenya, Indonesia, Colombia, Mexico. So how do you go about this one? Click on apply now. Job overview. We are looking for detail-oriented search and data labeling waiters to support an AI data annotation project focused on improving e-commerce search experiences. In this role, you evaluate the relevance of search results by analyzing customer queries and matching them with appropriate products. Your work will directly contribute to enhancing search quality and overall user experience. Key responsibilities: analyze and understand the intent behind customer search queries, identify product types and relevant attributes like the brand, size, and color within queries. You evaluate the relevance between search queries and product listings using defined guidelines. Determine product availability and validate product links. Project details: start date is ASAP. Duration is 4 weeks. Task type is AI data annotation. Job type: freelance contract. Pay rate $8.80 USD per hour. Location is remote. It's saying Italian fluency, right? But I'll tell you what to do. Strong analytical and comprehension skills, ability to understand e-commerce search behavior, high attention to detail and accuracy, basic understanding of online shopping platforms, proficiency in the required language, ability to follow detailed guidelines. Why join Willow Data? Limitless flexibility, project-based opportunities that fit your availability. How to apply? You apply by answering a few quick questions to join their database and become part of their growing community. This one is from Willow Data, and of course you know that Willow Data is part of Localize, and it's a global AI data company with over 500,000 plus contributors worldwide. All you need to do is to click apply for this job, and it brings you here. So these locations listed here, if you're not from these locations, don't apply for this one. Okay, so if you're from Nigeria, for instance, you can apply with your LinkedIn. If you're into AI training, please get your LinkedIn optimized. If your LinkedIn is optimized, it will help you land AI training job. And attach your resume here if you have to autofill your information here. put your LinkedIn URL if you have, GitHub if you have, portfolio URL if you have. I showed you guys how to create your portfolio on my other channel. This is the time to have a portfolio if you're into AI training. These are the things that will help you to land AI training job. You can't proceed to apply with the same CV that you've been using all these years. This is very, very competitive. Everybody is trying to earn from AI training. So fill in these information and submit your application. So this particular project requires Italian fluency. So I'll tell you guys how to do this job, whether you're fluent in Italian or not. So we can go through the maps personalization relevance rater English UK, which I'm going to apply. This one is English US. Let's see. Let's check this one. This is for United Kingdom only. You must be based in the UK. You must have an existing actively used Gmail account with prior usage history on Google Maps inside the UK. So whether they don't want you to use VPN or proxy because you need your Google Maps on. Participation is limited to a single project round due to the nature of the task. So you will apply for this one like this, the same way. In what country were you born? Select. In what country do you currently live? You select. How many years have you lived there? You select. Maps personalization question. Do you have an actively used Gmail account? Yes. Please provide the Gmail address. Then you put it here, and then you fill in this other information and apply. So you can see some jobs are for Canada, Japan, South Africa. There's one I saw that is looking for South Africans. Project Epsilon, Italian data trainer, Japanese data trainer. So there are so many jobs here from all these 5 companies you see on the screen. Willow Localize, Willow Life Sciences, Willow Data, Adapt, and Pack IP. They've all listed some jobs here that you can scroll through. I just saw an Igbo job here. I think I saw an Igbo. Yeah, Shape the Future of AI, Igbo Talent Hub. Remote Nigeria, promote worldwide, remote Europe. Let's open it and see. Nigeria, remote worldwide. Willow Data, part of Localize, is a global AI data. Are you detail-oriented and curious about tech? You'll be first in line for flexible remote projecting, annotation, evaluation, and prompt creation. So this is not an active job opening. By applying, you will join their global contributor network. Okay, you can feel free to apply, but you must be based in Nigeria. The position is remote. You need to be proficient in English and fluent in Igbo. All right, this is for Igbo. There are other ones for different languages that you can explore. So go ahead and apply for this one too, because this job, this AI training is competitive. I know that a lot of you, some of you say they've not landed any job yet. You have to continue. You can't give up at this time. If you give up, you lose. So you can't give up. Keep pushing. But if I'm being honest with you, it is not easy. AI training is not easy. If you have not had sleepless nights, sit up all night applying for jobs to wake up in the next 2-3 days, they send you an email saying we can't proceed with the application. You have not started. I've been in that situation, and I can tell you for a fact that AI training is not for the weak. So when I see you people complaining in the comment section, you have not landed any, you have not started. So keep pushing, keep applying. Check out this platform, okay? They have amazing opportunities now. So I said I was going to show you guys how to do some, especially transcription jobs, when you get any transcription that requires you to have German or any other language proficiency. Just go to Google Translate. I will not go there. Go to Google Translate. When you get the job, you copy the job prompt, the requirements of that particular job, the things, the words that you need to translate, copy it, go to Google Translate, translate it to the other language that you're supposed to work on. Translate it to the language you're asked to translate to. It will translate it for you. It's that simple. You copy and then use it to finish the job. Also, if it is in German language or Japanese language, you copy it, go to Google Translate, translate it to English, then refine it. Use Grammarly to edit it. Use Grammarly to do spelling check, grammar check, correct it, personalize it before you copy and send it to the owner of the job. I will not go there now to show you. That's how you're going to do it. People are doing it like that and they're earning. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Please do like, comment, and share on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I have an amazing opportunity coming up. So please stick around on this channel. You don't want to miss that video coming up. I'll see you guys in the next one.